Hey everyone, my name is Michelle. So today we are going to look at this how to use the agent builder. So this is just going to be a hello world program of building agents using agent builder, which is released by OpenAI just a few weeks ago. So just to show you a quick demo. So this is basically a travel itinerary agent planner. It's like a travel planner. It will also check your flights and also prepare an itinerary list for you, the location you are trying to visit. So I'll just go show you a quick demo of it. It's preview. Let's take a new preview. I need to go to Paris from Bangalore. So this is just my query. I just sent it. Now you can see how the agent will think. There's a classifier which would classify if it should be agent to the flight agent or it should be sent to the itinerary agent. So I need to go from Paris to Bangalore. It's more like a flight query. So that's successfully passed to the flight agent and has given me, hey, there's a Bangalore. It will give me an output from a card view like this, and that's how I can view it. Now uh, I will be in Paris for 3 days. What all things can I do? So this is another query. So this is again be with the classifier. This time it will be passed to the iteration. So just what happened? Let me just send this query. Yeah, so go in the classifier, it will check it should be sent to the iteration or iteration. This time it will be sent to the iteration over here and will prepare a list of all things which I can do in Paris for 3 days. Okay. Yeah, so I have this request to query what all things can I do in Paris for 3 days, and this will be passed to the iteration and that will give me a list of things which I can do in Paris for 3 days. So let's see. Yeah, so this is actually creating an itinerary. So here's the 3-day, itinerary over there. So that's done. Now, I need to get to Paris from Bangalore. So I just send, hey, I need to get to Paris from Bangalore. So there is an option of flight agent. So this will basically just find me a flight which I can take from Bangalore to Paris. So that's the whole idea of it. So it's just pass to the flight agent. Now let's just give it some more time. Yeah, so there's called Air France A150. So this is at 2:10 something, and it's on November 12th. So that's how I got the flight tickets from here. So that's it. Now I'll show you how to build this. So let me just close this preview, and let's start from beginning, shall we? Let's just take all these things. Let's put it over here. Put it over here. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to create a new agent from here, and yeah, just remove that connection. So start. I'm just keeping this for references. So agent. So I'll show you how to build this. Okay. So this is called a classifier agent. Classifier agent, or you can call it anything what you want, but I'm just calling it classifier agent. And I'm also specifying the output format. So it should be a JSON. And I will also need to add a schema. So it's basically response schema. Add property. It's like the name of the property is basically type query underscore type. So that's what I'm going to give, and I'm just going to give enum value, and it's going to be flight underscore agent, or it's itinerary. Sorry, what's the spelling of itinerary again? Yeah, itinerary. Yeah. Itinerary. Yeah, so that's the spelling of itinerary. So cool. Close that. Yeah, so update this response schema of it. And what about the instruction? I will just copy this system classified. Yeah, cool. So I just copy the system schema here that says expand the prompt. You are a classification. You analyze the input and determine whether it's relevant to flight or travel information. Return one of the following labels. Flight, if the prompt is about booking, checking a flight. Return flight. Okay, travel activities from related destinations. Okay, so that's the quick query of it. And this is going to pass to an if-else condition where if the information is, so we can just take it and take the input as type query equal to, and it should be equal to flight underscore info. That's what I given, right? I think I have given flight equal to info over here as the enum. It's flight agent. Okay, let me just symbol and can I just edit from here? No, I'm just adding this agent word over here too. Just updating it. So just update over here, flight agent core else, and I'm also similar to this above over here. I'm just going to create 2 more agents. Let's just create agent 1. Let's create second more agent, and this is going to be the flight agent. This is going to be the so flight agent. So this is the flight agent. This is the itinerary agent over here. Yeah, but we have 2 agents created over here. They don't have a system prompt, so they don't know what to do. But let's add this again. We can just configure this is end. This means the execution is completed and there's nothing to be done. So we need to add end over here. You can just remove this by clicking command click or control backspace, something like that. So yeah, or you can just press backspace. That's work. So end over here. Now let's just take the prompt from here. That's it. This is a simple prompt. Itinerary also. This is a prompt you have, and just pasting this up. And there's one more thing which we need to check. The output format should not be a text. It should be a ChatKit UI and add chat. Now you can create a new, it's like new type of, let's say, message or itinerary, or you can create a widget like that. You can just go to the gallery and just copy any widget from here, or you can just create a widget just by the prompt. I think I have already done this before. So I'm just going to click upload, and there is called flight. It's not this one. It's somewhere here. Or is it date created? Yeah, so I have flight details widget. This widget open here. So this is the widget over here. I just basically created a prompt in the chat widget and give me this one. I'll also show you again. So this is flight details. I also have an output format for iteration. So let me just add that too. Widget ChatKit, add widget and upload. So this is the updated chat widget copy. I have added both, so that's there. I'll just show you how to work with the widget builder. So I'll just show, okay, create me a widget that showcases a calendar along with weather details. So this is actually, I'm not going to use it, but this is just to show you a quick demo how this thing would work. So it's basically spinning it up, and it usually takes some time. So let me just go through here, go back again, and let's just run this. Let's see what happens. I need to go to Paris from Bangalore. So just running this query, let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't break. Yep. So it's given flight agent and the query has been passed to the flight agent. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so you fetch the proper details. Now let's say, what all things can I do in Paris? So this should be passed to the iteration, and the iteration would, figure out an itinerary plan for us, and it will give me a response. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so basically you can see what this error where it says end of week update for ChatKit. As it goes, it doesn't work properly. I'll show you what. This is actually the template of this one, so it's not updating it. Now, what you need to do is, all you need to do is just create a new user message, and if you put 2 curly braces, you can get input as text. So that's our message input. Now with this, let's say, what all things can I do in Paris? Just by passing this prompt to it, it kind of works. So yeah, Usually, previously, which when I was doing this was not required, but when I'm doing it again, this was actually required. Okay, so this thing doesn't work anymore. Okay, it's just giving this one. So let's see what is I'm doing here. So this is the settings of this HM. This actually works fine, but I guess sometimes this actually kind of fails on whatever it is doing. Okay, let's take this iteration here. This iteration needs. Okay. Okay, I think the issues with the output format for some reason when this is not respecting the output format. If I just change that to text, let me just preview this and all things. Can I do in parse? So this time it should work perfectly with this. Oh, there was some issue. Okay, let's retry it. Yeah, it's working. Let's go into the classifier agent and let's see what happens. Okay, it went to the itinerary agent and hopefully it will give us an itinerary plan for, give that plan. Now let's see over here. This is a widget which the Visual Builder built. So it's basically calendar, city, get weather. Yeah, this is not what I expected, but hey, this is an example for it. Now you can just click download and it will you have to fix these errors. And for some reason, there are no simple ways to fix this error. I haven't figured any errors, any way to fix it. It's just that you can edit the code over here, but you don't know where the current value is being pulled from. So you just have to reprompt it and just work on that. There's no other options. If you click the download button, you will basically download the widget file and you can just upload it in the agent builder. That's how you basically do the things. So that's just a quick hello world program how to use agent builder. Hope this makes sense and hope it's useful to you. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel and give a like, and that's all. Signing off. Bye.